Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. I hope you people are getting my voice clearly. Actually, this place is quite windy. So when I came here and I tried for recording my video, then I checked that my voice was not so clear. Then I used my earbuds so that you people could hear my voice. And even I don't have 100% surety that you people would hear my voice with clarity. So if you get some problem while hearing my voice, so I'm so sorry, and I don't have any other option. I'm trying my level best to make my video and to record my video with clarity and with good voice. So yeah, this is not the important thing. The thing is that I got bored making video from my room. So I decided to come out, and today I got this chance. So my friend, after a long time I came outside in order to record my video. This is a beautiful place. The place where I'm standing, the place is just like a dam. Why? Because in front of me one big pond is there. So for maintaining that water, so that water can't go anywhere, people they have made this pond, and I really don't know what's the name of this area, because the place where I stay, that place is quite far away. And I want you to see one flight that is going up in the sky. Sorry, I didn't record in my mobile, sorry. So yeah, this is the thing. Other than that one, my friends, after a long time I saw farmer working in their field, because now I live in city area. Obviously in city people, they don't see this kind of views, right? But I saw today and I'm really so happy. Look at behind me, farmer, they are working. This place is really so beautiful. Yeah, this is paddy field, the place where they are working, and the place where I'm standing, this is a kind of dam. As I told you that there is one pond where I'm standing, and due to the pond, this place is quite windy. Wind is blowing plus water is there. That's why this place is quite windy. But no problem. Yeah, this is what, my friend, I'm going to share with you my story. Actually, few days ago, when I came, not only few days ago, I guess it is going to complete 1 month since I moved from my village. So ever since I came here, I saw many people, they were speaking English language. When I saw everyone speaking English language, so my motivation had gone. I didn't feel so much motivated. Actually, when I was in my village, so I was only girl who could speak English language, and I thought that it's really very difficult. I used to think like that, because I faced many difficulties while learning English language. But since I came here, I saw many people, they speak English language. So now I feel that learning this language is common. Like anyone can learn English language if they put little bit effort, or if they are provided the good environment. So I live with one of my friends. She is a English medium student, so she speak very well. Other than her, there are some other people, they speak English language very fluently. Then I started feeling demotivated. When I was in my village, I used to talk very fluently, I used to talk with motivation, but since I came here, my motivation had gone somewhere, and I did not feel so motivated while recording my video or while talking in English. Why? Because I felt that it's common, anyone can speak this language. But once again I thought that no, it's not so common. The person who is consistent, or the person who has environment, they can only learn this language. The person who is committed. Let's suppose you are going to start your journey, but you are not learning every single day, you are not practicing every single day. button. My friend, you can't learn this language easily or fast way. So in my case, when I was in my village, I used to learn this language while working and while enjoying, I would say. I made my journey enjoyable, it was not burdensome, to be honest. But I've seen many people by saying so that this language is very difficult, I can't learn, and they have never ever been in English speaking environment. So they feel that this is burdensome, this is very very difficult. But my friend, it's not difficult. See, I didn't have English speaking environment, but now I live in English speaking environment. And there is one thing also that I want to share with you. No matter you are in English speaking environment or not, it doesn't matter as long as you have willingness. See, since I came here, I stopped learning new things. I did not focus that much because I started taking this language little easy, or I thought that it's very common. But no, I was wrong. I started making mistake, and my English fluency was not like that. Then one day I decided, no, it's not good. I have to be motivated. I have to think that it's really big deal to speak English language. So my friend, sometimes we undermine our success or whatever we have achieved, and once you undermine, then you will feel demotivated. The chances are you won't feel good or happy whatever you have achieved. In my case, the same scenario was there. I would say that I was not feeling so happy being an English speaker. I was thinking it's very common, but it's not common for those who are staying in village, right? So I am sharing this thing for the person who is staying in the city or village. They can be motivated or they can learn English language. My friend, never undermine your success. Whatever you have achieved, be happy. And if you keep reminding your mind whatever you have achieved, either fluency or little bit fluency, I mean, if you weren't able to speak English language and now you are able to speak, you should be grateful. In this way, you will give signal to your mind and it will be happy, or happily, or I would say that it will be ready to work hard to learn new things. But once we start undermining that, oh, it's not a big deal that I speak English language, or it's not a big deal to get 1K subscribers, or it's not a big deal to be in the city, or I mean come out of the comfort zone. But my friend, it's a big deal. If we think, then our mind will be happy, and the chances are we will learn the things fast way. It will help us to learn the things. So in my case, it was happening. I thought that, so as you can see in my story, I was very much motivated when I was in my village, and today also I am, because I realized after 1 month, I was making my video, I was reading book, I used to practice also, but that curiosity had gone somewhere, because I thought that it's very common, it's normal to speak English language. But my friends, I am from village area, and there are a lot of girls and boys from village, they can't speak English language. And one more thing also, if I had not learned English language while being in my village, today in city, I won't be able to talk with my friends. I won't be able to talk in English language. So I should be grateful. I should be happy for my achievement. So in your case also, whatever you have achieved, either good marks in the school, praise yourself that at least you achieved. If you are able to speak this language little bit, praise yourself. Say to your mind that thank you for helping me so that I am able to speak this language nowadays. This kind of small activity will make us little better and will make us little motivated. My friends, self-motivation is very, very important. I used to watch many videos during 1 month since I came here, but Nothing motivated me. I didn't get motivation. But the day I decided that something wrong is going with me, I am not as excited as I used to be in my village. So then I figured it out that I was undermining my achievement, that my fluency or my subscriber or my channel, whatever. I was undermining everything. But no, the day I realized that it's a big deal to be a fluent English speaker, and everyone is not speaking this language, right? Why? Because they are not consistent enough, they are not motivated enough, or they are not committed enough the way we are, right? So for that one we should be happy. Once again, one flight is going on. I want to cover it in my video, but I got failure. Since I have been recording my ever since I've been recording my video here, I guess 3 plane it went, but I couldn't record. No problem. So this is the place where I am standing. See, this is a kind of dam. People, they have created it. It's quite beautiful and isolated place. See, when I was in my village, there was one another thing also. I could speak in front of anyone. Earlier, it was not happening. Earlier, I was feeling shy. I didn't want to make in front of anyone my video. And then gradually, I started feeling confident in front of my villager, But once again, since I came here, I don't want to talk in front of my friends that much. I don't know why, whether I feel fear of making mistakes or what. But I am not that much, fearful type of person. Or I don't worry whether I make mistakes or not, because I believe that if I make mistakes in front of them, so they may correct me or I can learn. It's not a big deal to make mistake in front of others. Earlier it was, but now I like making mistakes, because while making mistakes or by making mistakes, we can learn so many things. So look at the beautiful place. It's a bright sunny day. Sun is shining, due to which I'm not able to see in my mobile also things are clear or not. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you. Yeah, as you can see, my friends are there. They are sitting. I'll go after recording my video. I'm so happy because I got the chance to record my video from the outside. This is the thing which I like, and it's been 2-3 days. I started feeling motivated towards learning English language, because for me, getting advanced level is important nowadays. And the person who has just started learning English language, for them, no matter they are speaking little bit or they are able to speak little bit, they should be grateful for that one and proceed, in their learning. They should not stop while watching someone is speaking very well. So this is what is my story. And it's been, I told you that it's been 2-3 days that I overcame of these kind of things. Now I feel motivated, and once again I'm gonna make my video good way, motivated way, so that my viewer, they can learn so many things. So this is what I wanted to share with you, my friend. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.